You can make up to $1,500 per day by copy and pasting images online. It's free to do, easy, and simple. Whenever you copy and paste something, you'll be making real money. You don't need any particular skills or experience to start. In fact, it's completely free. All you have to do is watch this video and follow each step I demonstrate. If you miss anything important though, you likely won't see any results. So, if you want to make an easy $5,000 to $10,500 per month without any technology skills or experience, no selling, no camera, no website, and no social media following required, then pay attention for the next few minutes. So now, I'll show you how to repeat everything I do step by step. To start, go to Google and type in the keyword Twilight Cast. The movie Twilight is very popular, and if you search for it, the entire cast list comes up, as well those who have acted in it. If you watch the video to the end, you'll understand everything we're going to do next. We're going to focus on actress Kristen Stewart. I want you to open a Google browser and type Kristen Stewart into the search bar. Add 2008 after her name, then click on one of her images that comes up in the results. This will show every image Google has of her from 2008 onwards. To save this image, click on it and then right-click to copy or screenshot. Smartphone users may have to press down and hold. After that, change the title of the file 2020 so you can easily find it later. By scrolling down, you can find Kristen's most recent pictures. For example, to download a photo onto your device, simply click it. We managed to obtain the 2008 and 2020 copies of Kristen Stewart's photos without any issues. Now that it is completed, let us move on to step 2. I want you to visit Ribbit.com after copying both images so we can continue. Ribbit is a free photo editor that you can use to copy and edit pictures. In just a few clicks, you can start using it on your browser, phone, computer, or other devices without having to download any software beforehand. Here's how. 1. Click the Start Editing button. This will take you to the Ribbit homepage. 2. On the homepage, click the Enable Flash button. 3. This will take you to a page where you can begin uploading and copying images into Ribbit. In this case, we only need 2 of the 4 available columns for photos. Go ahead and click the Close button by the 2 empty boxes to delete them. To move on to the next stage, click the Upload button at the bottom and upload the 2 photos we just copied. In step 1, image number Kristen Stewart in 2008 should be open. All you have to do is click on it. The images will start uploading automatically to this space down here. As soon as you finish uploading a photo successfully, drag it into the box located on its left side so files can begin organizing themselves accordingly. We'll then proceed with uploading file number second, photograph directly after. If you want to do this, click on the Upload button a second time. After the upload is completed, drag the photo into the box that's second from the right. We were able to compare pictures of the Twilight actress between 2008 and 2020, after we successfully copied and pasted them in this editor. The next step is to look at the menu on the left and select the Text button. This will enable you to edit any text in the image. I'll show you how this simple process can make $5,000 to $10,500 per month as we go further along. Stick around for some proof, but before we do that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Please leave a comment below if you found this video interesting and informative. Now, let's return to the video. To add text, simply type it into this box. For example, 2008. Choose your font from the provided options, such as Arial, and then click the Add button. After you enter the text, it will appear on the page. You can then drag and drop it wherever you want, such as the bottom of the page. For example, you can change the color of the text to red. You can also create a new text that says 2020 by simply entering 2020 and pressing the Add button again. We are going to move it to match with the others and change its color to then so that it's red to look consistent. Now, just click on File, Save As at the top to finish. This is the photo you just created. You don't need to make any adjustments. Simply save it as JPEG or JPEG by clicking on File, Save As. The third step is to go to clideo.com and scroll down to the Video Maker button. To upload the image we just created, simply click on the blue Choose a File button. After selecting your file, they'll begin to process and upload it. You will be taken to a page where you can edit multiple pictures into one video. We're going to take a short break, and while we do, please watch this YouTube video and check out the channel it's from. As you can see in the screenshot above, all of these videos have hundreds of thousands or even close to 1 million views. This channel is very similar to what we just accomplished. We created a photo comparing a well-known celebrity or famous person from the past and the present. For instance, 2008 and 2020. We can then combine the photos and turn them into a video. This is how many people are making to $2,000 up to $25,000 every month online. You don't need experience, a camera, or to show your face. All you have to do is compare photos and put them together with the video I just showed you. That's all it takes to generate income from YouTube. As you can see from the channel's statistics, it has the potential to earn $10,000 to $25,000 monthly or even $200,000 annually. With a little extra effort, we can gain 2,000 or 5,000 views instead of only 700. There are many YouTube channels doing this exact thing. All it takes is some innovative thinking with photos. When we analyze this channel, we can see that the monthly earnings are around $2,600 and the yearly estimated earnings reach up to $30,000. And all you have to do is copy and paste some photos together. For example, in this video, the actor was combined from 2 separate photos into one. They used 20 to 30 photo comparisons in a single video, which for just 3 minutes or even 2 minutes of footage can generate thousands of dollars each month. So, as you can see below, after you add one photo on clideo.com, you can add another. We'll go back to the Twilight cast again and just follow the steps as before. Get some pictures of Robert Pattinson. We'll look for pictures of Robert Pattinson from 2008, and then we'll find some recent pictures of him to use for the comparison. We can add these images to the software, and when I press play, it will transition between the first and second photo. Adding background music to your video will make it more interesting and inspire viewers to watch for a longer period of time, which is important. You usually have about 2 minutes of footage that you can post on YouTube without cutting anything out. Search YouTube Audio Library on Google. The first link will take you to a page where you can listen to any of the YouTube's copyright-free audio tracks. Once you find one that suits your needs, click the download button. You can either upload it to your computer or phone. Then, all you have to do is click Add Audio, import the file, and it will begin uploading. Everything I showed in this video has on average brought in monthly earnings between $5,000 to $20,000. If you want more content like this, please check out my other videos and let me know what you think by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And finally, if you have any questions at all, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. Can't wait to see you in my next video.